Evening, everyone. Dear friends, brothers, and sisters, today I would like to speak about a very important topic, World Blood Donor Day. Hello, everyone. Welcome to back my channel, Divyang PB09. Dear friends, sisters, and brothers, today I would like to speak about a very important topic, World Blood Donate Day, which is observed every year on 14 June. Friends, imagine a situation where a person meets with a serious road accident. A mother suffers a heavy bleeding during childbirth. A child is fighting cancer, or a patient is undergoing a major surgery. In all these situations, one thing can make the difference between life and death: blood. Blood is not a medicine that can be manufactured in a factory. It cannot be created by machines. It can only come from a healthy human being who is willing to donate it. That is why blood donation is considered one of the greatest gifts a person can give. When we donate blood, we are not simply donating a liquid, we are donating hope, strength, and a chance to live. A single blood donation can help several patients because blood can be separated into different components such as red blood cells, plasma, and plate, platelets. This means one donor can help multiple people. Every day, hospitals require blood for accident victims, cancer patients, thalassemia, thalassemia patients, surgery patients, burn victims, and women facing complications during childbirth. Without voluntary blood donors, many of these patients would struggle to receive timely treatment. Blood donors are true heroes because they save lives without expecting any reward, recognition, or benefit in return. They often do not even know whose life they have saved, yet their contribution brings happiness and relief to entire families. Many people hesitate to donate blood because of myths and misleadings. Some think that blood donation causes permanent weakness, while others believe it is unsafe. However, under proper medical supervision, blood donation is generally safe and the body naturally replaces the donated blood over time. Before donating blood, health professionals check the donor's health condition to ensure that the donation process is safe. Blood donation is not benefit society but also promotes a spirit of kindness, compassion, and social responsibility. It teaches us that helping others does not always require money. Sometimes a small act of generosity can become a life saving gift. Even young students who are not yet eligible to donate blood can contribute by spreading awareness among family members, friends, and communities. They can encourage healthy adults to participate in blood donation camps and to support humanitarian efforts in today's world, where medical emergencies can happen at any time. Maintaining a sufficient blood supply is essential for saving lives. Therefore, each of us should understand the importance of blood donation and support this noble cause whenever possible. Let us remember that every drop of blood has the power to give someone a second chance at life. On this World Donor Day, let us salute all blood donors around the world and place to separate awareness about the importance of voluntarily blood donation. A few minutes spent donating blood can create a lifetime of gratitude for someone in need. Remember this beautiful message: blood is meant to circulate, not accumulate. Donate blood and become someone's silent hero. Thank you and happy World Blood Donor Day. And and I would like to say that blood donation is not just a social activity. It is one of the greatest services to humanity. A few drops of your blood can bring hope to a struggling family, save the life of an accident victim, help a cancer patient continue treatment, or give a child a chance to live a healthier future. By donating blood, we become a source of life for someone we may never even meet. Therefore, if you are eligible to donate blood, please consider becoming a voluntarily blood donor and encourage others to do the same. Remember, one donation can make a life changing difference. If you found this presentation informative and inspiring, please share it with your family, friends, classmates, and community members so that more people can learn about the importance of blood donation. On our channel Divyang PB09, we regularly create videos related to education, awareness, government schemes, disability rights, inspirational stories, spoken English learning, and social service initiatives. So please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and press the bell icon to receive notification about our upcoming videos. Your support motivates us to continue creating meaningful and helpful content for society. Thank you very much for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep helping others, and let us work together to build a more caring and compassionate world. Happy World Blood Donor Day, and remember, donate blood, save lives. Finally, donate blood, save lives. Subscribe for awareness. Stay connected with Divyang PB09. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Dear friends, brothers, and sisters, today I would like to speak